Okay. Okay, guys. So it's like an hour, couple minutes after last video just went up. It was me building the Wolfson Diesel Surgeon. I put it in the storage. And in this video, like I said, I'm gonna be building Bruce Wilson's Flat Nasty. And for this build, we're gonna use the third gen because I got an amazing idea for it. Most people probably didn't think about it, but what do you do? Go to decals, go to shapes, you go to squares, put it over the grill a little bit, kind of make it look like a little bit of chrome. I don't know how to make it look like chrome a little bit. I honestly don't know how to make it. I need to hold up. Sorry for the notification. But what I think what I could do, put it like right there. Maybe possibly get like the right. So I'm gonna have to go to this house to the text and put a capital I there. Move it over like that. Size down just a little bit. And I'll try my best to get it sized perfectly for it. Like Cody72 says, we ain't gonna be able to get exact, but we ain't gonna be able to get it identical to the real thing, but kinda close. So I'm gonna go to paint, kinda put it right there, of course, or I'm gonna have to do a build like that, maybe. Put it like that. I think right there. And move it down just like right. It's gonna be like darker than that. Like, right there, I'm gonna buy glossy. Now I'm gonna go back to matte. And I'm gonna put the tint right there. I'm just gonna make it dark green. I think. Trying to get it close. So I think right there is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the tires. We're gonna use the mudding tires right here. And I saw like an Instagram post that he made. With like where he changed the rim up. It was like a black rim and stuff. I think it's like that is, yeah, that's it. And in real life, he took the front end off. I think he's rebuilding it or something. I don't know. So I'm not gonna go too deep into what happened. I don't know what happened. So that monster suspension, of course, we got to do that. I'm gonna have to do some money running. I only have one. I used to have 1 million, now I only have like one. Gosh darn. That's what I'm trying mostly use my gold. Got two. I'm gonna put it max. I do gotta get the little stickers. Yeah, oh crap. So, yeah, we gotta get the wheels and tires maxed out. Right there. Yep. I'm just gonna make the tires just a little bit wider. Probably 1.3. I think that's good. My dog's gonna get angry. See, we gotta size up the rim just a little bit more. I wonder if I'm even recording. Okay, I am. So 1.1 for the rim. I think that looks pretty good. I am gonna make the. No, I think I'm gonna size down the tires just a little bit. Probably 1.7. I think that looks pretty good. So yeah. That. Ooh, dang. Stretching. So I'm just gonna go to customization. I'm gonna have to put the little stickers on the side over here. So go there. I think it's this one. I'll size up a little bit. Make them a little bit red, pinkish reddish. They're like that. I'll make it a bit darker than that. What?
Friend, offroad outlaws. Create a truck. The thing is, it's exotic butter themed.
Okay, I'm filming the video right now.
Well, still, it's serious.
So I don't want to see it.
Why do? How dare you disrespect me? So rude.
My sister's crazy. Sorry for that, guys. I think that looks pretty good. I do need to change the color just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, boy. Yep. Yes, sir. Oh, yep. Of course you gotta turn on now, furnace. Yep, of course. Of course. Okay, I think what we're gonna do now, upgrades, and turbo, grip, weight, of course diesel slot. Now, yeah, that looks good. Now that looks good. I'm gonna put the repair pack in the bed. Just because mostly had stuff in his bed. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. Now I basically spent all my money, so I'm gonna money run. Make sure to like and subscribe with post notifications on. That would really help out. So peace. See you guys in the next one. And peace out.